Now we've got the thumbs up drivers in the box in 3, 2, 1, go! We are now at 108 here on Edison Field 2. The Red Alliance, 27-21, they will go ahead. They are spearheaded by 74-77, the Super 7, as well as 12-3-31, the Scarsdale Robo Raiders. The Blue Alliance has 21-9-36, SaMoTech, as well as 19-9-56, PHS Meyhem Performance Robotics.
Wait, don't do the velocity.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Steal.
The Red Alliance pulled ahead there in the autonomous period. 1-2-1 artifact scored. As the Super 7, ranked 38, are certainly making their case to scouters at the moment. They are going to roll in just another piece. They make a couple that are just wayward. But then we've seen them fix that big match before. Let's see them do it again. On the blue side of the field, VHS Meyhem Performance Robotics is currently over in the depot area, taking those pieces around against it and firing from the very corner of that launch zone. For the Blue Alliance, SaMoTech, ranked 5th, is going to make a few that are just wide to the left of that obelisk.
Open gate,
74-77, going to go for 3 before
keep going.
that ramp out for the Red Alliance. That's why
we're winning, keep going.
135 to 114.
Okay, Kevin, keep trimming, you're doing well.
Them getting that ranking point is a near certainty with the 6 motifs that they got in the autonomous period. With 40 seconds left to play, SaMoTech, currently ranked 5th, is going to lose another round into that blue square for 9 points. That will bring them close, but the Red Alliance is moving at just about the same speed. Alliances.
Get out. Do not touch it. Do not touch it.
Overflows. They will remain just narrowly in the lead. No, the Blue Alliance has pulled ahead with a few artifacts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They got full park. We lost.
The guy was giving us so many penalties.
Yeah, our bumpers are good though.
It's unfortunate.
What was wrong?
Yeah, we definitely did.
Minor for a loading zone, major for a base zone contact.
Yeah.
We have a score at 108. Edison.
I should have been clearer.
The Blue Alliance.
Yeah, going over there was
winning 258 to 225. They earned those 4
I think I shouldn't have called you going over there.
Points.
I needed them to clear that game.
Not very good.
We were really good on the shoot toss. Basically made cycles at least good.
Yeah.
What was our accuracy?
Kevin says accuracy was really good.
Wait, what was the major for?
Base zone contact.